Welcome back to the channel everyone. In this video we will be exploring numbers in Python. We'll see how to use Python as a calculator. In the initial videos we will be using idle as our IDE. Then we will shift to PyCharm later. So what I will do now is I will open up idle. Opening idle is pretty simple. Just type idle here and you will get this IDE. Now let me zoom this so that it will be clear in the video. Now the first thing that I will show you is called as addition. Fairly simple. Just type some number and plus and 5. Everyone knows it will be 10 here. Now let me show you what is called as subtraction. So you can do 6 minus 5 will get 1. We can use minus 6 minus 5. So we will get here minus 11. Next I will show you multiplication. So 5 into 5 will get 25. And let me show you what is called as division here. So 5 divided by 5. So we'll get 1.0 here. So we are getting 1.0 here. So the thing to be noticed here is the fractional part. So in Python by default division will always return you fractional value. Now if you don't want this fractional value, there is something which we call it as floor division, or we call it as integer division. Now what this will do is it will discard the fractional part. So in this case it will return only 1 and it will discard 0.0. Let me show you how to use this integer division or floor division. So what you have to do here is 5. You will have to put double forward slashes and then give 5. So what should be the result? It should be 1. See? So this is how you can use it. Let me do something which is complicated a little. So if we do 17 divided by 3, we know that we will be getting 5.6667. So if we want to discard this fractional value, what we can do is we can just do floor division and we will get only 5. So that's how you can use floor division in Python. Now let me tell you something about modulo operator. Now basically modulo operator will return the remainder of a division. Okay, it's fairly simple. So if I do 17 mod 3, and let me tell you, mod is represented by a percentage symbol, and if I hit enter I should get 2, and if I do 2 mod 2 I should get 0 because 2 is divisible by 2 and we get remainder as 0. Now let's do multiple operation in a single expression. So what do I mean by that is, let me write 50 plus 20 into 3 minus 6. So here you can see we have multiple operations. We have addition, we have multiplication, we have subtraction, and if I hit enter, I'll get 104. So if you don't know how this expression is evaluated, please go through Google and type PEMDAS and go through it. You will get to know what is PEMDAS and how everything works. So basically it's a kind of order of operation. Now basically what will happen is 20 into 3 it will be 60, plus 50 it will be 110, and 110 minus 6 it will always be 104. So that's how we are getting this 104 value. Now what if I want to evaluate like this? I want to do addition of 50 and 20, which is 70. 3 minus 6 it should be minus 3, and the complete thing 70 into minus 3, which should be 210, I mean minus 210. So how can I do it? So basically it is pretty simple. What we can do is we can use parentheses and we will write 50 plus 20, and we will do multiplication and we will group 3 minus 6, and if I hit enter we should get minus 210. So that's how you can group and you can do multiplication, and this is very understandable, right? So we are understanding each and everything, how this expression is evaluated. Now let me show you how to calculate powers in Python. So if I want to calculate 2 to the power of 3, so how to write? One way is to do like this, 2 into 2 into 2, and if I hit enter I will get 8. Now with Python it is possible to use a special operator in order to calculate powers. So what is this special operator? So basically if I want to calculate 2 to the power of 3, what I will do is simply I will write 2 raised to the power of 3, and if I hit enter, I will get 8. So this is the advantage of using double asterisk sign in Python to calculate powers. And also you can do complex calculations. For example, like 2 raised to the power of 1000, you will get the number, and I don't think anyone will use this number, but anyways, I wanted to show you that you can calculate powers using this double asterisk sign. Now let me tell you something which is called as operator, operands, and expression. So if you notice here, we are using plus, we are using minus, and we are using multiplication operator, we have this division. These are called as operators, and these numbers that are used in order to calculate the values, these are called as operands, and the whole thing is called as expression. Now here, this is an expression, this is an expression, 5 divided by 5 is an expression, 2 mod 2 is an expression. Alright, so that's it for this video, and I hope you guys liked this video and you guys gained some knowledge. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and you can share it to others so that others might get some benefit from this video. Subscribe to my channel in case you are new, and I will see you in the next video. So till then, bye bye, take care.